Hi guys, I'm just wanted to have a quick session about the gold chart here, and we're gonna talk about something interesting in the gold chart, 1 day chart here. So the daily chart here, we have gold coming from the previous high at 43.81, and we have the pullback, like kind of pretty strong pullback on October 28th. And then from there, we have gold gradually grinding upward for almost 2 months right now, from October 28th to right now is Christmas Day, December 25th. So here we have the previous all-time high was broken, and right now we have gold pushes toward new all-time high. But there's something interesting here. If we look zoom in further, we see that the previous day on December 24th, we have a initially gold pushing upward, and then there's a strong selling pressure pushing gold to have a red candle on this day. And we have on the smaller time frame, on the 1 hour chart, we can see that at this level of 44.94, we have a very strong selling pressure waiting for gold to achieve this level, and then a sell-off to this level, which is 44.30, which is around around the previous level, around the previous support level, around 44.30 on this day, Monday, December 22nd. And then on December 24th, on the early session, on the Asian session on December 24th, we have gold pushing past the previous day's high, and then all of a sudden gold pushing downward, some very strong selling order waiting for gold around this level. And then going on to the New York session is pushes gold downward to 44.50. So we have a 2 times like selling off in here 44.95, and in here 45.21. And then right now gold is another, the third time pushes above the previous high. So I'm gonna watch for the reaction around this level, and to see that if gold is continue to push upward, grinding upward, or it just gather momentum, gathering liquidity for some selling orders, big selling orders, to push the price downward from here. The reason I want to watch for this, because gold has been running high for 2 months. If we see at the daily chart, and then normally when gold running high for such a long period of time, it needs some breathing room before it can go up further. And people say that, don't sell high, don't buy low. Uh, trend is your friend, but from my perspective, trend can be, have some contrarian ideas that you can try to do some probing at the top, especially when you see some sign of weakness of the price action like this. So that's my theory. If gold going, some kind of weakness from here, if gold pushes down further below this level, 44.50 and 44.30, I'm gonna, looking for some short opportunities from here, because like I said, gold is likely to have some retracement before it can go further. And when gold pushes downward below this level, 44.50 and 44.30, together with the short opportunities, my thesis will be invalidated when gold is continued to push above the previous high. Right now it is 45.30. And normally I would just put the stop loss at, around 10 or 20 points above the previous high, because sometimes gold usually push above the previous high for quite some points to kind of fake out some stop loss, to stop out some buying orders before it can go downward. So that's it. That's my theory. Let's see what happens.